Hello guys! Hello! This is for Pisces. Welcome dito sa aking channel, Pisces. Alamin natin kung anong messages, vibration, gabay, energy para sa inyong lahat. So, titingnan natin Pisces kung ano ang mensahe sa'yo ng baraha. So, this is for money matters. Okay, financial, career, and this is timeless. Pwedeng magsimula siya sa araw na ito or pwedeng nangyari na or pwedeng mangyayari pa lang. So, please tune in. Okay, Pisces. So, let's check. Ano ba ang magiging focus mo lalo na sa pagdating sa salapi? Alright. Okay. First card natin, Pisces. Okay, so yung first card mo dito sa first deck, expectation. Expectation, number 28, which is 2 plus 8 is 10. So, sinasabi ng baraha dito na you are expecting for a completion. You're expecting for an achievements. Please comment down below if you resonated. Sinasabi ng baraha dito na you are waiting for financial freedom. So, maybe you're waiting for a lump sum of money. Are you waiting for payouts or payments? Or kung ano man siya na hinihintay mo, Pisces. And nag-i-expect ka talaga. So, maybe now, maybe before, or maybe incoming pa lang siya. Sinasabi ng baraha sa'yo na meron na darating sa buhay mo na expected na lump sum of money. There's also unexpected na wind flow of money or finances, since finances yung binabasa natin dito. And kung makikita mo dito, lalo kung babae kang Pisces, na medyo luxurious yung dating mo. Okay, so maybe meron ditong mga Pisces na you're waiting for the completion ng like may hinuhulugan kang kondo, may hinuhulugan kang bahay, lupa, sasakyan, or may investment ka. So, sinasabi ng barahan na malapit na. So, maybe it's just in 2 years or maybe in 1 year, you're done, you're finished, you're accomplished na. Okay? Alright, so let's check. Ano pa ba ang message na kailangan mong marinig? Okay. Alright, so this is the second deck, Pisces. Titingnan natin. Okay, so this is for Pisces. Tingnan natin. Okay, first card natin dito is the Sun. Second is Knight of Wands. Okay, third is Seven of Pentacles. Wow, this is money. Talagang the Seven of Pentacles here is the same with the expectation card. So, you're expecting. Parang halimbawa, mayroong mga Pisces sa inyo na you're waiting for the retirement. May binibenta kang like apartment or condominium or bahay. So, you're waiting for the cash flow, for the payments, parang ganun. So, this is parang confirmation talaga na meron kang trinabaho na you're expecting for payments or results. Alright, and sa ilalim mo dito is Seven of Swords. Alright. Okay. Pisces, tingnan mo yung baraha mo. The Sun, Knight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, the Chariot, and Ace of Wands. Yun nga yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina. Yung Seven of Pentacles is the expectation that you're expecting for a money. You're waiting for a money. You're waiting for a promotion. Waiting for a lump sum of money for the payments, bonuses, payouts, or anything na lump sum or malaking halagang pera. And sinasabi ng baraha sa'yo dito na there's a Knight of Wands. So, yung Knight of Wands na yan, since katabi niya yung the Sun, Kung ano man yan na ini-expect mo in terms of money, kung ano man yan na hinihintay mo, napaka-exciting ng sitwasyon na yan. So, ibig sabihin, once na dumating na yan sa'yo, yung exciting na yan na windfall of money, posibleng magiging sobrang masaya ka. Super grateful and thankful ka kasi sa panahon ngayon, ang hirap ng buhay, 'di ba? So, if like for example, nanalo ka sa loto or pwedeng nagbenta ka ng mga ari-arian mo or may mga investment or may mga unexpected na income na darating sa'yo, talagang magiging sobrang grateful ka. Dito din, sinasabi ng bara sa'yo, Pisces, na you are super excited and you are super inspired, especially doon sa mga Pisces na you're planning to travel, you're planning to relocate. Yung halimbawa na nakapag-desisyon na kayo na okay, magre-relocate kayo sa ibang bansa or lilipat kayo ng career or business or lilipat kayo ng location. So, there's a relocation. So, nakikita ko sa'yo dito, maybe you are planning to purchase or gusto mong bumili ng sasakyan, ibang model. So, nakikita ko sa'yo dito yung excitement or there's a Pisces here na yung perang hinihintay mo is for the parang para sa pagbili ng sasakyan, para sa pagbili ng plane ticket or para sa pagbabayad sa bagong bahay, lupa, sasakyan or bagong tirahan. So, nakikita ko sir dito, merong Pisces na sobrang excited sa kanyang mga plano. So, congratulations sa'yo. But mayroon dito ang 7 of Swords. We need to be careful kasi ang daming pera ito eh. Hindi ito Pisces yung sinasabi na makakatanggap ka lang ng 5,000, 1,000. No, this is a huge amount of money. Huge amount of money. Hindi ko alam kung saan galing yan kasi kanya-kanya naman tayo ng buhay. So, sinasabi ng barahan na if ever lang na you're expecting a lump sum of money, you're expecting this one na talagang pumasok sa buhay mo, you need to be careful. Okay? Maging careful ka. Huwag mong i-announce ha. Huwag mong sasabihin sa kapamilya mo, sa kakilala mo na you're expecting a lump sum of money. It's because posible ka nilang lokohin. Pwedeng parang dalhan ka nila ng information about sa investment na pwedeng this is parang para lokohin ka, para nakawan ka. So you need to be careful. The 7 of Swords is a reminder. It's a warning para sa lahat ng Pisces na maging mapagmatsyag ka. Okay? You need to use your intuition. You need to follow your intuition in terms of money starting today habang nanonood ka. Alright, so let's clarify Pisces. This is about money. Okay. The Sun. King of Swords. Sinasabi ng baraha dito, Pisces, na expect the expected na direction na darating sa'yo. So, meron ditong pwedeng yun na nga, sabi ko sa'yo kanina, may mga bagong direction, inspired movement, inspired action na gagawin ka na pwedeng magdala sa'yo doon sa rurok ng iyong tagumpay. So, like for example, may business ka na, another business plan naman na to na pinaplano mo, or may bahay ka na, gusto mo pang magpatayo ng bahay, may trabaho ka na, gusto mo ng additional income, parang ganun. So, you are parang open ka sa kung ano man na opportunities, kasi yung King of Swords is an opportunities na kung ano yung forward movement na kailangan mong gawin. Okay, Knight of Wands, yung iba din sa'yo dito, may mga Pisces na you are super excited, you are super inspired, napaka-hardworking, workaholic ang Pisces na to. Kasi kailangan niyang mag-ipon ng pera or kailangan niyang mag-impok talaga. And that Pisces ay nakafocus siya para sa pera. Wala siyang oras para sa chismis, sa gulo, sa mga kung ano-anong walang kwentang away, petty, quarrels, competition. Wala siyang oras kasi busy siya sa pagmamanage ng kanyang salapi. Okay, 8 of Cups. Nakikita ko sa'yo dito, Pisces, na mayroon ditong Pisces na you are excited and you're waiting for the contract, for the visa, for the anything na changes ito para sa buhay mo. Nakikita ko sir dito Pisces na you're waiting for the money, naghihintay ka sa pera kasi yung perang yun yung magdi-determine kung saan kang direksyon pupunta. So, pwedeng nag-aantay ka kung kailan ka makakabili ng plane ticket or pipirma ng kontrata sa bagong bahay or bagong negosyo. Okay, the Chariot and Ace of Wands. So, dalawa yung Ace of Wands natin. So, talagang exciting siya. So, brace yourself, okay? Ihanda mo talaga yung sarili mo. Kasi, alam mo yung message na to, nakita ko na to sa pagpasok pa lang ng February 17, 2026, yung Chinese New Year. Na talagang parang mala-jackpot yung makukuha mo. Siguro sa ngayon, tataas yung kilay mo, sasabihin mo, saan ako makakakuha nun? But, yun nga sabi ng baraha dito, there's unexpected and expected. So, punong-puno ka ng inspiration, excitement sa kung ano man ito na plano mo, it's either travel, relocation, or anything. Diba? Same din. And sa ilalim mo, justice. Okay? So, ibig sabihin niya, Pisces, lahat daw ng pinagpaguran mo, lahat ng sacrifices mo ay may kapalit. The justice is the good karma. So, you are receiving good karma in terms of money, finances, tangible things, material things. And yung Ace of Wands plus Queen of Pentacles, sinasabi na sobra-sobra kang excited sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Maybe you're excited for your new business. You're excited sa new place mo, new place of work or residence. And you're excited sa bagong adventure mo, sa bagong journey mo. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again. Congrats. Bye!